In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your PayPal statement, a task that might seem daunting but is actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. Whether you're tracking your expenses or preparing for tax season, having access to your PayPal statements can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together so you're equipped with the information you need. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to PayPal's website. Open your browser and navigate to the summary page of your PayPal account. You can simply type in paypal.com into your browser's address bar, or if you prefer, you can use a search engine to find PayPal's official site. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. This ensures that your account information is securely accessed. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main summary page of your account. Here, you'll see an overview of your recent activity, including a list of your latest transactions. To proceed, you will want to click on the Activities tab. This tab can be found at the top of your page and will guide you to a more detailed view of all your transaction history. Once you've opened up your activity page, you'll have the option to view all your transactions. Look for the specific transactions you're interested in, or just review all your activities to get a general sense of your account usage. This section provides a comprehensive breakdown of each transaction, including the date, amount, and recipient, making it easy to track where your money has been going. Now that you've reviewed your transactions, the next task is to create a statement. PayPal allows you to generate reports in various formats such as PDF or CSV, which are convenient for accounting or documentation purposes. The choice between a PDF and a CSV file depends on how you prefer to work with your data. PDF is great for printed records or simple digital viewing, while CSV is excellent for importing data into spreadsheets for analysis. To create your statement, look for the option that says Statements, often located near your transaction list. Click on it and you can choose to view and download monthly reports or specify a custom date range that suits your needs. After choosing your desired format, download the file to your device. This gives you immediate access to a detailed account of your financial activities, which can be saved for future reference or used for current assessments. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly access your PayPal statements at any time. Being able to efficiently manage your finances is a vital skill, and having this knowledge about accessing your PayPal statements is one more tool in your financial toolkit. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher in the future.